Hi everybody, it's Ginger from In Sheep's Clothing Yarn Shop, and today I'm going to show you how to attach and make the little loops to put on to your Advent sheep. So because this is done in such fine weight yarn and a fine hook, I'm going to do it on one of my chiclets to give you that rounded look for the head and show you how to do it with a heavier yarn and a bigger hook. Okay, so first I attach my yarn, and of course you're going to find your place in between the ears of your sheep, and that's where we're putting the loops. So first, okay, so we attach it, and then what I'm going to do is, okay, so it's like I'm going to be crocheting, but then what I do is I take my thumb and I pull my yarn down, and then I take my hook and I go into the two legs of the adjacent stitch, wrap it around, basically do a single crochet, wrap it around, pull it through both loops, and there we go, we have a loop. Now I'm just going to take my thumb, pull the loop back down again, go into the next stitch, the legs of the next two stitches, pull up a loop, wrap it around, pull it through both. Now we have two loops. Again, I pull the yarn down, go to the next set of legs, wrap it around, pull it through, wrap it around, pull it through both. And you're going to work your way across to the next ear. Whoops. First I need to do this. Whoops, wait a minute. Got ahead of myself here. Oh, if I could get my hook out. There we go. Okay, so pull my loop down, then go into the next stitch. Wrap it around. There we go, and pull it through too. And now we have our loop stitch. And there's our little loops for the head. And then what you can just do is simply cut your yarn, pull it through this loop here, and you are done. And you have some nice, cute little loops for your sheep. Now there are other ways of doing this, and you could check them out on some other YouTube channels. There's some knit versions, there's some other ones. This I just find is the easiest way, and it just less movements. So I hope that this is helpful to you. Thanks for watching.